solar panel. So that just happened. It arrived sooner than I thought it would. You know, sound dampening for the walls. Yeah. It was cheaper than sound panels, and you can cover a ton more surface area, and the difference is like 5 decibels, more sound escapes, which is not a lot. 5 decibels is very negligible. Where are my nails? I forgot my nails. Hold on. There we go. They are 5 centimeter nails, and on here it says they are 2 inches. So, surprisingly enough, the 2-inch nails look pretty big in my opinion. They're like 5 centimeters. They look big because they're so thin. If they were thick, it would look weird. But here is a nail. One of the nails I ordered from China from up close. It looks pretty good. And it gets way, rougher on the end. Which is good for painting. But we're not really hanging up a painting, are we? We're hanging up 2 blankets. Of course. This is my, weightlifting belt. It's out of actual leather, which is pretty nice considering the price wasn't absurd. These are 2 leather belts from Italy. They're actually too small. Or sorry, they're too big. So my mom thinks I have a ginormous waist for some reason. Or hips. Yeah. Probably hips. I don't know. The hammer we need. She's been through a lot apparently. Jesus Christ. Poor hammer. Tossed on our bed. This is for punching. Wrist supports. And here's the blanket, which I hope goes over this wall. And not this one. But I have no choice but to open that one as well, just to make sure I'm not doing it wrong, So if I am, that's totally problematic. Also, another problematic part about this, the wall is exactly 5 centimeters thick. The nails are 5 centimeters long. And I gotta hope this blanket will renegade some of that damage. Renegade. I don't know what it's supposed to call. But yeah, here's the other one. Here's the other blanket. Very well rolled. It's folded and then rolled. Which, the amount of blanket you get is not bad. Okay, this is definitely the small one for that wall over there. Or maybe even behind my computer setup. Who knows? Maybe. I'll think about it though. But yeah, this is going on here. This is gonna be annoying, but we're already too far in this to stop now, because this was expensive. This was like 50 euros. That's more than the sound panels. This covers more surface area. It's very similar. Who cares? And it'll look better than this blank wall with missing chunks of paint. If you can see, yeah, look at that. That's missing paints, and it's even worse over there. Let me show you. So this has been here for a while, right? This was my first attempt at sound paneling. I didn't want to remove that because I knew the tape was gonna cause damage. And I used this blanket, I moved it a bit, and whatever adhesive, the tape that was here, it's sort of an adhesive. It's not good, obviously, but it worked to hide this. This is horrible. So I'm just gonna keep doing that. Keep hiding it. Keep hiding that mess. Thank you very much. I thank you for your service. There we go. Even the bed's helping now. Well, the mattress, but still part of the bed. I mean, you can barely see it. It's definitely better, even though it looks really weird. It looks like it has a dump truck or something. It helps. It helps, okay? Stop asking so many questions. That should work. Okay. move the pillow out of the way. This is the small one, right? Oh yeah, this is definitely the small one. Yoink. Here's the one we're gonna put on all over that. So, yep, that's yeah. Let's just stop stalling and start starting. Whatever. Let's first find out. Let's first find out which one is the long side. Okay. This is not helping. I'll compare it to my height and see. No, not taller than me. It's like at my eyeline level or my forehead. One of those options. And now this. Come on. Definitely taller than me, so it's supposed to be vertical lines. That actually shouldn't be too bad. It would look better with horizontal lines, but I don't mind this design either. So yeah, I'm gonna do it with like this. Here's my hair. Here's my hair. Okay. Crap. I need to somehow get the nail there too. That works. There we go. And my brother said it would be covered in dust. This other blanket here is bone dry. It's really just one piece of dust. There's nothing else. It's just one chunk of dust. That's it. Literally nothing else. And that's all with the dust. Works pretty well. Yeah, let me check the other room. Just in case. This is worrying because it went in too easy after a while. Uh-oh. Is that it? Oh no, that's dust. Oh, that's good then. I don't see a nail anywhere. I'm expecting it to be something. Nah, no, it didn't get it through. Nice. We were like right at the wall, right? Yeah, right at the ceiling. Yeah, it didn't go through. It was very easy. However, nothing got through. The hell's that? So, yeah, we can continue. That's good news. So the nail didn't go through. So that's awesome. That means the wall is either thicker than 5 centimeters, just right, you know? That's what I'm getting from this, basically. Are you happy? Yay. Could have probably done it more, though. Yeah, it's too late now. Oh yeah, I should grab a nail. I mean, duh. Alright. Let's not pull too hard. Actually, let's go to the end already. We're gonna do both ends immediately, and then just add more screws. Or nails, whatever. We're gonna add more nails in the middle, just so it holds up better. I feel like that would be wise decision. Yeah, go. That's where it's gonna go. Okay, now in the middle we're just gonna unfold it. Nice! That is actually, I mean, you can still see the white wall, sure. However, you don't see the like tape residue or you know, the old wall, so that's pretty good. Also gonna move my little body pillow. Not for body pillowing, but I have it because I have my laptop in my bed with me. Because I feel like it's useful to have a computer with you at all times when your phone can't do the job. Even though I have a main computer too, but oh well. This is before I brought my computer to my room, so small details. You know? Here's the other blanket. That doesn't look too bad. Should probably buy a bigger one. But that's actually not bad. Wow. Yeah, let's improve it. Anyway. Report this bad boy up. Okay then. Probably do the seal. Nah. It takes a while and then just goes boom, 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 boom. Wait, that's no kinetic energy. This one's taking a while. It's not budging anymore. It's not going deeper. What? It's in and everything. What? What's the problem, young man? Ow. Damn, what the fuck? Oh, okay. Oh, the blanket caught it. Oh. That was unexpected. Let's try again. Let's try the same hole. It's not budging anymore. I don't want a fucking screw sticking out. It's just not. You're walking. I don't know. Bro. It's just not. Why though? I don't know. Why? Yeah, it just keeps moving the screw around. Or nail, where. I just hope it'll hit it. That did not hit it. Well, it did hit it, but not properly. Brother, this guy stinks. Okay. Jesus, please. I just went higher up and it worked. I don't know what it was. I just had to go a bit higher up and it worked. I don't get it. it just doesn't go anywhere for a while, and then just boom, it goes through. Not through the wall, but like, I don't get it. I'm not the type of person that usually does this kind of stuff, so that's why I don't get it. You know it's fucked up when it's fucked up, because that's fucked up. Yeah, if I just focus, it works. When I'm not talking, it just goes in like nothing. The screws are also mostly hidden. Well, this one isn't. Oh, nails. Sorry, I'm just so used to saying screws because I work with computers a lot. So I just keep saying screws instead of nails. My bad, homeboy. Nice. Doesn't look too bad. Definitely looks better than having a map of the world. Yeah, this one's not gonna work. Hello. Gotta flash up this nail soon. One more nail and then we're done. I mean, I'll take care of the blank other ones later. Yes, I'm planning on doing 2 more. However, there's an unforeseen circumstances. My brother has to work, so. Right when I started to do it way more. Right on the nail too. Literally my nail. Wrong nail, buddy. What the? Go in, buddy. Finally. We're done. Let's go. Oh. Wow, that is way better than whatever I had before. It moves around way too much. We can take care of that later. Looking at my nail, it's a bit red. It hurts. However, I don't see blood, so should be fine. Like, this is my normal thumb. This is my hurt thumb. They look very similar, so should be fine. Anyways, look at this DIY situation. It's definitely stretched. Should probably stretch the bottoms to make it look cooler, and that part. But we're gonna do that later when my brother isn't working, because clearly it isn't too quick. So, and I don't want to bother him. This side we probably don't need to use a nail. We can just use the bed. If you can push it enough. I have to use my foot for that one. I mean, the bed doesn't hold it. That's a problem. It's enough, but it can still move around freely. That's not what you want. You're not supposed to be free. And I probably should have bought a longer one. Doesn't prevent the computer. Actually, wait. That touches it. That's okay. Doesn't touch the wall. There's a plastic part that can deal with it. I was more worried about the computer itself. If plastic part for the computer touches it, that's fine. That's doable. Just use this pillow as part of this. Okay, that helps. That helped, I guess. Okay, nice. Okay, that's not bad. It definitely looks terrible because it was made in a Chinese switch up. Don't kill me. But it's fine. Honestly, it looks better IRL because my phone is struggling with the dark right now. It's not sunny out. You know? It's more like evening time. So, yeah. That's fine. Just gotta get another one for there. And that should do it. Oh, thank God there wasn't a hammer on the bed. Where is the hammer? No hammer on the bed. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I guess I'll see you on part 2, huh?